Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class of a 4th standard ICSE. Today's class we are going to do the revision for the October month exam. So I'll send the PDF to you. You have to go through the PDF. Now we'll do the exercise as well as the book sums and all. Okay, children. So for this monthly test we have the portion of a unit 3. Unit 3 is multiplication. So pattern is, the first one is we have a fill in the blanks 5 marks, true or false 5 mark, do as directed 5 questions 3 marks and it is 15 marks. So next one is a solve word problem. We are going to attend 2 word problems. It is each carries 5 marks. Totally we have a 35 marks. So let us go to the 1 mark section revision now. The possible 1 marks in this lesson I just wanted to recall to you. Then we'll go to the sums. See children, first one is 10 multiply 60. It's a 0 number multiplication. 10 we have is 1 0 and 60 also we have 1 0. So totally we have 2 zeros in this answer. Need to put in the 0 0. Then after that number alone you can multiply. 6 ones are 6. So 10 into 60 will be the answer is 600. Coming to the second question, 15 multiplied by 3. So this is the number. If you have direct multiplication horizontal means you can do it. Otherwise you can write it in the rough column and write 15 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 and 1 should be carry over. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 15 multiplied 3 is equal to 45. Next third one, 12 multiplied by 8. This is also horizontal multiplication. If you know it, you can do it. Otherwise write in the rough column. 12 multiplied by 6. 8. 8 2s are 16. 6 and 1 should be carry over. In 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So it is 96. Next fourth one is 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash multiplied by 8. This is a properties of a multiplication. When we change the order of the property, we are going to get the same answer. 8 5s are also equal to 5 8s are. 8 5s are 40, 5 8s are 40. So you can write 5 multiplied by 8 in the fill in the blanks. Next fifth one, also the properties of order property. So when we are changing the order of the number, multiplication is going to, the product of the number going to get the same. So same thing will be given here also. Sixth one is 7 multiplied by 1. Whenever we are multiplying with any number with 1, we are going to get the same number. So, seventh one also 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Eighth one also 1 into 33 is equal to 33. This is also property. And next property is whenever we are multiplying with a 0, we are going to get the 0 is the answer. 0 multiplied by 43 is 0. 9 multiplied by 0, 0. Or 0 into 0 also 0. Coming to the 12th question, 1 multiplied 1 is 1. 13, 16 into 0, 0. 14 and 15 are a 0 number multiplication. 5 into 100. See children, we have 2 zeros in that 100. So write 2 zeros in the answer. Only you have to multiply the numbers. 5 into 1 is 5. So 5 into 100 is 500. 15th one, 7 into 1000. In 7,000 we have 3 zeros. You write the 3 zeros in the answer and multiply 7 into 1. We'll get 7. That's it children. We completed the 1 marks revision. Now coming to the do as directed 3 mark questions. We have multiplication, different types of multiplication, whatever we saw in this unit, we are going to recall in this. The first thing is 2-digit multiplication, 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. The first sum 59 multiplied by 14. See children, you have to write the place value correctly, then arrange the number correctly. Start with the multiplication from ones place number onwards. So 59 we are going to multiply by 4. Start with the 0 place, ones place. 4 into 9. 9 fours are 36. 6 and 3 should be carry over. Next 10th place multiplication. 5 into 4. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So first number multiplication over. Coming to the 10th place multiplication. 59 multiply by 1. So we are going to get the 59 as the answer. So finally we can do the addition of the two rows. The ones place multiplication and the 10th place multiplication. Ones place we have 6. 10th place we have 9 plus 3, 12. 1 and 1 should be carry over. 100th place we have 1 plus 2 plus 5, it is 8. So when we multiply 59 by 14, we'll get the answer 826. The second example of a multiplication is 4 digit by 1 digit number. So here we have 1403 multiplied by 9. Write the place value chart and arrange the number properly. Then start with the multiplication from ones place number onwards. 9 3s are 20, 7, 7 and 2 should be carry over. 9 0 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Next 100th place, 9 4s are 36, 6 and 3 should be carry over in the thousands 1. Then finally we have 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So when we multiply 1403 by 9, we'll get the answer 12,627. One more example sums for you. 2713 multiplied by 6. Write the number according to the place value and start with the multiplication from ones place number onwards. 6 3s are 18, 8 and 1 should be carry over. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 6 are 42, 2 and 4 should be carry over. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16. When we multiply 2713 by 6, we'll get the answer 16,278. The next model multiplication sums is multiply by expanding the bigger number. See children, we just simply multiply the number whatever they given in the previous section. Now we are going to multiply the number by expanding. We know the expanded form of 2617. 2000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 7. So we did the expanded form. Then after that we are going to multiply by 6. So in that thousands place we have 2000 multiply by 6 and we have 600 into 6 and 10th place 10 into 6, ones place 7 into 6. So first thing is 2000 into 6, 12,000, 600 into 6, 6 6 36, 600. Next 10 into 6, 60, 7 into 6, 42. So we have 12,000 plus 3,600 plus 60 plus 42. Finally we have the answer here. So similarly one more sum is given for you. You have to expand the number first, then multiply the number, then finally you can add and find the answer. The next model multiplication is given in your book. It is estimate the product by round off the factor to the nearest 10. Surrounding of the numbers we know already in the first unit we read, and after that round of addition, round of subtraction we saw in that previous sections also. Now we are going to do the round of number, and after that we are going to find it out the product of the number. First thing is, for example, 563 multiplied by 27. We are going to find it out the round of number first. So 563 is round of nearest to 10 is 560. 27 is round of nearest to 10 is 30. Hence the estimated product is 560 multiply by 30. See children, we have a 0 in the ones place, both the numbers. So you can write it 2 zeros in that answer and multiply 56 by 3. The final answer is 16,800. Similarly, one more sum is given for you. You have to try it. The final Roman letter in your question paper is solve. That is word problem. You are going to attend 2 word problems. So in that exercise 3.6 in page number 52 we have a 12 word problems are there. So you go through the word problems. For that 2 word problems you are going to attend from this exercise. Totally it carries 10 marks. So listen carefully children. You have to finish all your writing materials, whatever I given in the PDF form. You have to write it in the class work. In that I gave some sums as a homework also. So you have to practice it. Then only you will do the exams very well. Thank you children.